Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this one is an artist here called Antoine, and he has a song called Marbella, and I believe this artist comes from Sweden here, and is pretty popular there. And this song I just ran over by an accident, and it's pretty cool. Has a cool lick here that goes on through the entire song. So let's start with this. We have the capo set here on the 3rd fret. And we have this lick which is based upon 3 different chords, the A minor, the F and G. And if you wanna really be exact with the song, you should actually have this 1 octave up here. And with this chord, it should be set here up on the 15th fret. We don't have this space on the guitar here. So what you should do is to actually put it here on the 3rd fret and play it down here. Sounds great anyway. So let's start with this one. We will not go over the chords here for this one, since it's just notes here. But yeah, it's based upon A minor, F and G, but we will look at the notes only. So let's start with the A minor part here. This sounds like this, slowly. And then we have this bridge. All right, so it starts on the open A string. Then the 2nd D string, then the 2nd G string, and 1st B string. Okay? And how I play it, I don't make just one downstroke like this. I use my fingers here. So I play with my thumb, my index, middle, and my ring finger there. Should have this great flow. And you don't want to have the notes ring out like this. So you want to have this muted feeling, and you can do it in different ways. What I do, I prefer to put my little pinky here on top of the strings and mute the strings in that way. You can also just release it and let everything go. Not like this perhaps, but you can just let it go like this, and that will mute the strings. In different ways you can mute it, and you want that effect in this song here. So okay, then comes this bridge part. Okay, so it will be played on the open B string, then 1st B string, and then back to open B string, and then 2nd G string, and open G string. And that's it. That's the bridge part. And it goes pretty fast there. So for you to have this speed, you don't have time to actually hit the strings, all the strings here with your right hand. So what I do here, I only hit it twice. So I hit it on the 1st open B string, then I hammer on the 1st, and I release. Okay, and then the 2nd time I hit it is on this 2nd fret G string, and I let it go to get the open G string. So for these 5 notes, I only hit with my right hand 2 times, on the 1st open B string and on the 2nd G string, and that gives me the speed I need to have this bridge. So alright, take some practice there. And that's the bridge to the next part that is based on the F chord here. So that part sounds like this. Okay, so again a muted feeling, and you start here on the 1st fret E string in the bass, then the 3rd fret A string, then 3rd fret D string, and 2nd fret the G string. And you work with this muted feeling in the same way as with the A minor part. You put the finger on or release the grip, or however you want to do it. So okay, and the final part will be based on the G chord here. Very easy. You just put your finger here on the 3rd fret G string. The part sounds like this. Okay, so 3rd on E, then open D, open G, and open B. Easiest way to play the song. Okay, so that's the first half, you can say. Then you go back, it repeats itself again, so you go back and play the same part here, and then the bridge, and then the F part, and on this final G part here you still play the same, and right after you play this open B string, this note here, comes this bridge part again, the same as we learned before, and that gives you a new round from the A minor. So in total the whole lick here will be like this, a little bit slower for you to be able to follow. So let's go. Alright, so that's it, and that goes through the entire song here. So I'm gonna speed up to what I believe is the standard tempo here, and then I'm gonna show you how you could handle this song here if you're gonna add some extra elements to the song, perhaps some beats, claps here on the strings. I can show you how you could do that. Otherwise, if you just play these notes and this melody here, you will be fine with this one. So yeah, let's go and let's freestyle a bit in the end there. Yeah, perhaps I butchered this song, but that is how you could release and just play free there. Otherwise, stay with these notes and you will be perfectly fine there. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please thumb up this one, and I hope you Swedish guys love this one. So see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe and thumb up all that good stuff. Don't forget guys, play tuned.